been to Pittsburgh before, so.
Well, first time.
That's the first.
Going to the casino. I don't know why.
Casino, boy. I don't know, whatever. Since the truck didn't work out, we'll go spend some money.
Boy. Johnny.
Oh, shit. Another one. What tune are you on? 5? Yeah. I wonder
all the horse torques.
I wonder if 5 feels way better now that it's raining.
I can't even look. Motherfucker, dude. Yeah, damn.
Well, this is fucking cool.
This
is way fucking cool. Cleveland. Woo!
Football!
Rivers Casino.
Yeah, huh?
I guess so.
I like it.
Fucker.
Well, we're going to the parking garage.
Yes, we are. What's the clearance there?
I don't know. Oh, we're good, dude. We're good.
Oh, 7 foot. We're Sherry, bro.
Oh, God.
Oh, shit. Come on, boy.
I'm spinning.
Fucking tight, bro. This fucker's off.
Parking garage
Or
right
a
now.
parking garage, I know.
I get in trouble in parking garage.
Yeah, no, I never got in trouble yet.
Not yet. God, dude, this is fucking
What the
tight.
fuck?
This
It's
is
tighter than
smart
shit.
car parking, dude. What is This is terrible.
Isn't that good? Look at all this traffic, dude. Fuck 'em.
We're gonna get kicked out before we even get here.
Guaranteed. I just remember hanging out the fucking window.
This is just obnoxious. And look in the mirror. This is how you tell when you're good on parking, right? Keep going, 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 and pow.
Oh, see? Oh, okay, we got the hitch.
Time to wake up, bitch.
Pittsburgh
Oh
boys.
God, there's a fucking window there. Wasn't paying attention. Look at Cindy sitting all pretty like.
Oh, my throat.
We need some wheels and tires on it.
It does need wheels and tires.
We're getting there.
Got a nice 5th gen Ram sitting there.
Izzy. What are we doing? Go get some breakfast?
I'm gonna get some breakfast.
Alright.
We're leaving the hotel. Now we're in the dungeon.
Okay.
Yes, sir. We're trapped.
Open.
We're trapped.
I fucked that up. Open.
What the fuck?
We're going back. We never pushed the button.
Oh.
Well, that's the fucking issue. We're just going for free elevator rides today. Currently going back up.
Too busy looking at the truck.
Video, bro.
Oh, in video.
Yeah.
All in Pittsburgh.
Is that Red's? Dude, that's Red's grill, bro.
Oh, look, big Pittsburgh. He pitched one time.
Oh, hell yeah. What's up, man?
There you go.
Oh, shit, yeah, dude.
That's where we're going.
Alright, let's go. I knew these guys would shit this picture.
This is like, you don't even want to put ketchup on this.
What we got, Johnny? Look good?
Looking good. Got breakfast.
Hell yeah.
Breakfast.
Hell yeah, dude. Fucking bumping. Want some shoes, bruh?
Yeah, bro.
Fucking neon. Them are hooker shoes, Kyle.
Yeah, they are.
You want a little chaw?
Kyle, what are you feeding the fucking geese?
Oh, they want a little chaw, bud.
Little Chosky?
Yep, give him a little chaw. Yeah, look at that. He's pumped up. He wants a chawski. There you go. Get some of that.
Get you some of that.
Get you some of that. I need some too. Yeah, see? Look at that. He's eating it, dude. Look at that. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Dude. Oh. No, dude. You gotta keep it in. You gotta spit, bud. Come on. Come on. I think you're laughing at me. You wanna go? Do you like it? Come on. He's like, what the fuck? Got a little more? Oh, there you go. Yeah. Try it. Oh, it's good for you. Putting hair on your nuts. Look at it. This guy got all fucked up from it. He's like, oh, I got a buzz, boy. Picture in the video, yep.
Bruh.
I'm only in Pittsburgh. I ain't naked.
I don't know how I saw that just sitting there.
Yeah, I was just walking by and hang on.
Hey, hold on a second. Good ride-by spot, dude. Yeah, yeah, brother. Duramax.
Shitbox, bro.
You're gay. Fucking gay. Peace out, bud. Why you mad?
I ain't mad, bro.
You're fucking cranky. Because there's an ice skating rink. Get that fucking gay shit out of my vlog, he says. This is gonna be the highlight right here. Oh. Look at this shit. Hey, that's top security, bro. That's pretty fucking cool.
Yeah. Show me your tits, bro.
It's always my birthday.
I wanted to go up on the hill. We're going up the hill. Luke or what? Where was Luke?
Fuck you guys.
Left or right?
That's right. And I'm thinking the right. What are you thinking?
Think you're right? Are you guys back from your honeymoon yet?
Has he looked at his Snapchats? Like, hello? Wake up.
Wanna go see some ballet?
Yeah.
I bet Luke will be there. You guys in PA have a nice burnout hills. I like it. Like, look at this guy. That's just asking to be fucking ripped on.
Talking that guy right there?
West Penn, Polish. Oh, this is where all the fucking Poland's are, right?
Polish guy, right?
Dude, look at, this is a fucking hill, dude.
Yeah.
Ooh, a little smoky.
The race truck, everyone!
Get off my ass, you cunt. Oh, look at that. That's beautiful. Look at that shit. That's what I'm looking for. We're going to hang it right now?
I
think. No, turn on red. Look at that.
Oh, I got you. Fuck you, bud. What? Wait. Do that again. Put the thing down in. Put the gear down. That was weird. It seemed to go. What the fuck?
It's only when shifting, like, if you hold it in the middle. Wait.
We have a little, Come on, do something. Jesus. Right.
You rolling or boosting?
We're rolling or boosting, boys. I think we're boosting. We'll turn it. We're not so. You know, when you turn it down, it's not quite as aggressive, right?
Right.
Yeah. Okay.
I turned it up though, so. Drive normal.
What the fuck is that? Why is it shaking so much?
No brakes.
Okay.
Don't worry about that.
Where's my phone going? I got it. Okay. That does not smell good.
Brakes.
That does not smell good. Nothing about that smells right. Tunnel time! Holy,
Wait
shit.
for it.
Alright.
I got it.
Let's get them, boys.
Oh, there's a car behind us.
Oh, okay. Well, welcome to Burnout Alley. Like it. Welcome aboard, Burnout Alley. Oh. That's fucking awesome.
Alright, now we're driving nice. Driving nice, ladies and gentlemen.
Live.
I don't know what to tell you.
Fucking live.
We ain't making it home if this is gonna keep the pace with it like this. Buddy. Oh.
Nice post-burnout music.
Whoa.
Sorry, guys. fuck me.
Diving out the way, dude.
Well, we almost got the black dudes. I don't know.
One guy like dove out.
Yeah, the one dude. Dude, those two guys didn't even move.
No. I should have whacked him with the fucking mirror.
Alright,
that would have been great, dude. Whack.
Hello. Welcome to Candy Camera. Fake taxi. I'll bet you bottle. Yeah, with your tranny, it's fucking 197.
Oh boy, that's a little toasty.
197.
That's the warmest it's been, even when plowing, like a madman. We're gonna turn it down. Do I got stuff here or up there?
Just turn it down. Are we done with the excitement for now? Or?
Yeah, I think so.
Are we sure?
I think
Are we
so.
sure?
I don't know. Who the fuck knows?
We'll shut her down. Alrighty, so I guess we're gonna wrap up the video here.
Yes, sir.
I don't know how long this video was. Probably gonna be a little long. A lot of us fucking driving around and fucking around, but
Lots of tunnels, but
yeah, lots of tunnels.
we won't bore
Beating
you
the
with
shit out of the old girl.
Yes.
Tranny got a little toasty the one time, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Slipping, but
Yeah. Brakes.
we're back home, so we made it. We're good.
We made it home, so no big deal. Yeah, truck didn't work out, but we made one hell of a weekend out of it. That was one of the fucking best weekends I've had ever.
Sure was.
Yeah.
Explored Pittsburgh.
Yeah, went looked around
Walked
Pittsburgh
around for a while.
Stayed at the hotel for 2 nights. Second night we stayed in the same hotel. We got upgraded to a 2-bedroom suite.
Yeah, top
That
floor.
was pretty nice.
That was pretty cool.
Yeah, that was fucking cool. Very nice, very nice. This guy had himself a good night over here.
Oh yeah, right.
You know what I mean?
Subpar.
Amateur hour.
No, that was a good time. That was definitely a good trip.
Oh yeah, definitely.
Glad
fun.
to be back home though.
Yeah.
Glad to be back home. We're going to pick up the doors today here, aren't
Yeah,
we?
we'll pick up the doors for crew cab.
Crew cab, yeah.
From our guy Otis.
So.
But yeah, one hell of a weekend. A lot of fun.
Shitbox truck didn't work out, but
It is what it is.
it is what it is.
Meant to be. Worked out just the way it was supposed to.
Make the best of what you got, I suppose.
Exactly. But yeah, it was fun. Definitely have to do that again sometime. And hopefully you guys like these kind of vlog kind of videos. We're probably gonna keep doing them.
Yeah.
Hopefully kind of interesting.
Yeah. I'm sure it'll come together.
Yeah.
Hopefully.
Yeah. We're saying
Some interesting characters down in Pittsburgh. That's for sure.
Yeah, definitely.
Lots of people.
Nice city though.
Yeah, very nice. Very nice.
Yeah, definitely.
Better than our shitbox of Cleveland. No offense, sorry.
Well, we're gonna take a weekend and explore Cleveland too. But he's like, meh. But
Right.
right. Yeah, it was fun. Definitely do that again too. Just kind of taking a weekend and just picking a random place to go and kind of go explore and have fun. So definitely do it again.
Hell yeah.
All right, well that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Comment, like, subscribe if you have not already. All that good YouTube shit. Like the video, important. Share it. Tell all your friends. But yeah, that's it for this video.
Peace out, fuckers.
Signing off. Bye, bitches.